And now to a health alert. Doctors are warning tonight of a possible so-called quad-demic this winter.
Data from the CDC shows cases of flu, COVID, RSV, and norovirus are all on the rise. Dick Brennan has more on what to do to protect yourself.
You've been feeling under the weather, you've got plenty of company. Flu cases are surging. In data from the week ending December 28th, cases in New York State jumped 42% from the previous week, and rates are high in New Jersey, Connecticut, and 37 other states nationwide.
We haven't seen the level of influenza we're seeing this year since before the pandemic.
And Dr. Daniel Varga with Hackensack Meridian Health System says it's not just the flu. There are a total of 4 viruses in the mix, a potential so-called quad-demic.
Well, you've got COVID, flu, RSV, and now you've got norovirus that's in the mix.
I thought it was a sinus infection. I had no idea.
Pam McLaughlin went to urgent care and found out she had 2 viruses.
The doctor came, she said, I'm shaking my head because you got a double whammy. You have COVID and the flu.
Why the spike now among the contagious viruses? It's likely related to holiday gatherings and people being indoors during the colder weather.
I think the next 3 to 4 weeks may be very difficult.
So what to do? The health department advises getting vaccines.
In influenza, we've got vaccines in place that kind of guess on what the most likely strain is going to be that year. It just so happens this year we're lucky the flu vaccine is really, really good this year in terms of preventing it.
Doctors also recommend you get the COVID and RSV vaccines. And to add protection, well, you've heard this one before.
Wash your hands with soap and water the old-fashioned way.
For 20 seconds.
You know, I always tell people to say the ABCs or sing happy birthday.
You can also use hand sanitizers, but they won't work against the norovirus. So to cover all bases, just keep washing your hands. On the West Side, Dick Brennan, CBS News, New York.